Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix memory card locked error with 4 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. If a SD card is locked or memory card locked error showing on your digital camera, then you won't be able to add new files to your device. Also, you'll not be able to edit or delete the files stored on your SD card. SD card locked errors can occur due to friction while using or carrying around SD card. Choosing the wrong option in the camera's menu absent-mindedly may have write protected your SD card, might selected read-only status for your memory card, change some files or folders permissions on your system, file system corruption. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Fix 1. Unlock the write protection switch. Some of the SD cards have a physical write protection switch on the sides of the cards. So, simply check both sides of your memory card for physical switch. If this switch is set to the down position, then it means that your card is locked and nobody can add/delete or access your card. All you need to do is to turn off this switch to remove write protection on SD card. After doing so, reconnect your card to your PC. And check if you can easily access the content stored inside the card. Fix 2. Try formatting memory card. If you are using your card for a long time but recently it started to showing card requires formatting, then your card has not been formatted for a long period. An unformatted card may work fine initially with the camera, but it may get corrupt over time. The card may also get corrupted if the camera power gets interrupted during the shooting of pictures. Formatting the card in the camera corrects this problem. But this can erase all your photos that are taken on the card. You need to save all these photos on your computer and then proceed with the formatting option. Fix 3. Toothpick Method. If you see inside the slot or the side of the slot where the SD card slide switch is present, you will notice a glint of gold color on the side. This is the camera's lock and unlock switch. Then push this switch to unlock and clear out the junk with a toothpick, if any, present that has caused this jamming. Fix 4. Tape Fix Method. Use the tape fix method to repair SanDisk memory card locked error. If discussed methods do not work, then you may have a broken locking tab on your card. So, in that case, you need to take a tiny piece of clear tape and place it tightly over the slot where the locking of the switch is present. It may correct your problem. Memory card recovery tool. If you lost any of your memory card data during the process, then use our professional memory card recovery tool to restore deleted pictures, videos, or any other media files without any backup. Follow the steps to use memory card recovery tool. Download, install and launch memory card recovery tool on your system. And select the drive, external media or volume from which you want to recover deleted media files. After selecting, click on Scan. Next, you can preview the recoverable media files after the scanning process is completed. Lastly, you can select the images, audio, video files you want to restore and click on Recover option to save them at the location you want. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. That's all. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.